the Westerdam cast of singers and dancers and our event staff will present a delectable concoction of music, fun and of course food, which has been created by Holland American Line signature chef Mr. Rudy Soderman and prepared by our executive chef and his excellent staff. For the safety of your stewards, we ask that you remain seated and keep your arms and legs inside your chair throughout the ride. And although we do encourage you to take photos, which are appreciated, if you mind your elbows as you do. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we would like you to, or invite you to join in all of the festivities, clap along and sing along. Are you ready, everybody? Ladies and gentlemen, Holland American Line is proud to present the signature Master Chef's Dinner.